What's up, it's Jenny. Welcome to another weekly video on my channel. For this week's video, I'm doing another anime look since it's the video before Halloween comes up. And I decided that I wanted to do a character from an anime that recently came out, and I think that a lot of people will end up doing cosplay or having a costume for Halloween. And so the anime I'm doing is Tokyo Revengers, and I'm doing Draken because he has the dragon tattoo that is most prominent about some of his characteristics as an anime character. But yeah, we can get right into the video. Alright, so before the video started, I already put my base down, so that includes concealer, primer, and foundation. So I'm just going to go ahead and do some contour, and then we can get right into doing the actual look for this makeup inspired look. First, I'm just going to get my hair out of the way with some clips. When I first started watching Tokyo Revengers, I kind of picked it up as I was watching some other animes because I was like binge watching anime back to back. I was on one and then right after I would start another one. And Tokyo Revengers I kind of picked up on a whim because I knew a lot of people were watching it. At first, I did not like it, to be honest. I wasn't a fan of the anime style, like the drawing style. But as the story went on, I got really more invested. And it was just interesting to learn more about the games because I know that was a big part of Japanese culture. Whether it was a good way or a bad way, I just know it was a big part. But yeah, it was just interesting to learn about. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just contour my face to make it more sculpted. I have like baby hairs everywhere. Okay, looking a little crazy, but now I'm just gonna do the highlight. Now I just gotta blend it out. Alright, so it's all blended out now, and now I'm moving on to the actual makeup look. I'm gonna start off with doing the dragon tattoo that's on the side of Draken's head, hence his name is Draken, so you gotta include the dragon tattoo or else it won't be him. I got some new liquid eyeliner so that I can do this makeup look. Instead of using a reference picture of him with the tattoo on the side of his head, I'm using just a reference picture of just a tattoo. It's a lot more easier if you do it that way. If you have the like haircut where you have like that bald spot in your hair, you could try to do it on the side of your head, but that's up to you. This is what worked for me. And I tried both water activated eyeliner and liquid eyeliner, and the liquid eyeliner was a lot more easier, especially if you have a nice one. I'm using an e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, but if it doesn't fill up all the way, I'm gonna use some liquid eyeliner or water activated eyeliner after. This process is gonna be a while, so I might just end up speeding it up for the video for the sake of the length of the video, but you can see me work on this throughout the video. So first I'm going to start with the head, and I'm going to put it like right here. I'm going to make the tattoo on this side of my face, but you can always put it on the other side. I don't think it has to really matter what side you put it on. As long as you have it, you'll look like him. It's always so nerve-wracking when I do these kind of things. I'm gonna go really close to my mirror so you only see part of my face. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, staring out the window looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be next to you. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through, everything around us feeling minuscule. Okay, I got the head down part for the most part. I'm gonna worry about filling it in later and perfecting the lines. Right now I want to get the rest of the body. I'm gonna start with the neck and try to swoop it to the side and slightly down. Okay, got that part down for the most part. There's two head talon kind of things that go on top of the head, so I'm gonna do that next. Okay, in the mirror, it's not that opaque. Again, I'm worrying about filling it in later so that it's more opaque. I'm just trying to get the outline of the body right now. Okay, looking at it honestly, I think it'll be really cool just to have this part of the makeup, so if you want to stop here, you can, but I'm going to move on to adding some more details to the makeup look. I need to put on some eye primer if I can find it. Okay, got my e.l.f. Putty eye primer. And I'm just going to put it all over my lids. For the eye look, I'm also using my water activated eyeliner kit, and I'm gonna do the eye look inspired by Draken's cardigan. I'll put a picture up here somewhere. He has like this black and white patterned kimono cardigan type of thing. I wish I had the cardigan because I honestly think I would wear it just as is. This is the closest thing I have to something that he wears, which is why I wore it for the video. Okay, first I'm gonna go in with some white. Gotta mix up the pigment. Okay, I'm gonna do a little wing shape right above my eyelid. Okay, not a perfect line, but it's gonna be filled in. Okay, I feel like I can work on that for years, trying to get it to a perfect shape that I want. But honestly, I think that's the best I can get. The next struggle is trying to make sure I get it the same on the other side. Okay, my camera ended up dying while I was doing the white wing part, but it took a while, and I'm sorry if I don't talk much throughout this video because this takes a lot of my concentration. But I've actually improved on doing eyeliner from doing all of these makeup looks, so I think that's a plus to doing this. I'm drinking some green tea, and now I got this part down. I'm gonna fill it in with black diamonds. I'll show you the picture here again, but in the cardigan or kimono, not really sure what it is, has this black diamond pattern in there. But since this is so small, I'm not gonna do two diamonds on top of each other. I'm just gonna do a line of diamonds. And I'm going back in with the black eyeliner. I made it a bit too watery, so I'm trying to, usually I test on the back of my hand to see how the consistency is of the water activated eyeliner, because it depends on how much water you add, and I do not want to add too much water. Okay, I'm just gonna start wherever I think I can get a diamond and then follow along. Got one diamond down, just gotta do a whole ton now. Gotta remember to blink throughout this because my eyes are watering from trying not to blink. Okay, I got the diamond shaped part down of the eyeliner. I'm gonna do a little black outline on top of it now. Okay, now I just gotta do that on the other side as well. Hopefully it's a little bit easier because you can follow along the line you already made. Okay, I got the black outline on top of the white pattern that I did. Now I'm gonna put a white line on top of that. I'm just following the pattern of the kimono. Alright, eyeliner part done for the most part. I'm gonna put on some eyeshadow now. I know I went in a weird order, but if I didn't do the eyeliner first, I know I would mess up with the rest of the look. So I'm going in with the small eyeshadow brush. And I'm going in with this color. It's like a lighter nude shade. I'm gonna put it all over the lid, right underneath the eyeliner that I have. Okay, taking the same brush I have, I'm going in with black eyeshadow. I don't want it to be very pigmented, which is why I started with the lighter shade so that I can just hopefully blend it in and make it dark, but not very black. I'm just going in a circular motion to blend it out and smoke it out. And right over that, I'm gonna take this shimmery shade. I'm using the Cosmetics Dewy Eyeshadow in the shade Luna. I recently did a review video for that if you want to check it out. It was my video for last week. And going in with a blending brush, and I'm gonna slightly dust this over the black eyeshadow that I just put down. Okay, taking a small fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade that I just had, the Cosmetics one, and put just a little bit in my inner corners. And now to finish off the look, I'm gonna quickly fill in my brows, put on some false lashes, and maybe some lip gloss, and we'll go see the final look. Alright, here is the finished makeup look. I think the lashes definitely helped pull it together, but yeah, I really enjoyed making this video. Doing the dragon tattoo has been challenging but fun, and I'm just excited to do a Tokyo Revengers character. Even though I wasn't a big fan of the anime at first, I really enjoyed the storyline. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked anything about it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about the makeup look, or if you have any suggestions for future videos. You can check out my Twitch channel, which the link is in the description down below, but I stream Minecraft and Genshin Impact, so you can check out my channel over there. I post TikToks of all my anime looks. My link is again down in the bio. And I also post all the pics of my anime looks on my Insta, link in bio as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!